and welcome to this MaxView products video. Now I'm Neil Greentree and I have been an ambassador of their products for some time as an extreme adventurer, taking their new products and putting them out in the real world and really testing them to ensure that what they make is the best out there. So what am I here to review today? Well, the Remora 40. This product is a mobile satellite dish, but something that is generally new to the market. Now MaxView took a look at their product range and what customers were telling them they needed, and what they heard was they wanted a flexible, really modular, compact dish that is simple and quick to set up. That is the Remora 40. So let's take a look at the product. And now we come to use the MaxView Remora 40. And it's simple. Basically what you'll do, and this is the side of our vehicle, you'll press it onto the side of the vehicle. I've got to press it a little bit here because I don't have the benefit of the actual vehicle being there. And then we just close these lock pieces here, one up, one down. I'll just hold this as I clip it down. And that sucks the satellite onto the flat surface you're going to put it onto. Once you've done that, you can then feed your lead inside into your aerial input onto your TV. Now, one key thing that MaxView always has is these super Flexy cables. You can do whatever you want to do with it and it does not hurt it. Only MaxView make these. So now we set up the unit. First of all, the system comes with a compass, so you can align the dish to southeast, which for the UK is roughly where you're going to head it. And then what you can actually do is you have this locking system here, so you can swivel round the satellite and then lock it in position. Now that might be simple enough, but this actually has teeth on it, so once locked there's no way it will move, unlike any other system. And it also has this system here where on this gauge here you can clearly see what degrees angle the dish is actually at. So if you are looking for 26 degrees, point the arrow to 26 degrees and that is it. And then in fact, tuning in, once you've set your up and down degrees, you simply loosen this, turn it until you get your bleeping on your satellite finder and lock it in place. And that's as quick as it is. And so there you have it, the MaxView Remora 40. And in my own words, so simple to fit, yet super versatile for everyone, whether you be a trucker or someone who enjoys outdoor living, through to caravanners and motorhome users. So how do you get hold of one? Well, we have over 350 worldwide dealers, or you can visit our website, or for more information on the Remora 40 on how to use it, just see our tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.